What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another workflow tutorial. My name is Bo and I'm new here at RealWave. I'm here to learn with you on different workflows and what RealWave is altogether and how you can implement it into your website. So let's dive into this workflow tutorial. Let's do it. So this is a roofing replacement and repair agent, perfect for any roofing company to implement to the website. We have two main paths. We have the main path for the good leads and then a secondary path for the bad leads. So the cool thing that this agent does is it filters the good leads to the bad leads. So let's dive into it and look exactly how it works. So this workflow begins with an objective. We're trying to get the name and property address. Pretty basic stuff for a roofing company. And then we get to one of the filters. We get to the property location disqualifier. We're using AI to look at the response. And then we're using an interesting thing. We're using outside. We're doing the opposite. If they live outside our work area, which is King County, Pierce, and Snoqualmie County. If it's true, they live outside, it's going to go to a thank you statement, stop responding. False, meaning they do live in our work area. We get to another objective, property ownership. We want them to own the house. We don't want to just work on a random house. We want it to be their house and they own it. And then another one of the filters, do they own the house or not? We're using the same tactic. We're doing the opposite if it's not the property owner. True, thank you statement. And then if they do own the house, it'll be false. And then it's becoming a warmer and warmer lead, right? They already passed two of our filters. We only have one left. So we want to get a lot of information about the lead. The roof type, roof age, budget range, which we'll come back to in a second, current issues, and services needed. And now, the last branch, last filter, the budget disqualifier. We want the budget to be above 5,000. So if it's below that, it's going to be true, thank you statement, stop responding. False, meaning it's above that. Now it's a hot lead, right? They passed each one of our filters. We have two more objectives, and then we're going to book an appointment straight into Go High Level. So we're going to get the timeline, claim status, which claim status is for insurance, email, and phone number. All of the objectives that we got, all the information we got on the lead will be stored in Go High Level in the contact information. And then lastly, consulting appointment, right? We want to meet them face-to-face on Zoom meeting or on call or in person. So we book an appointment straight into Go High Level in the calendar view. This agent is perfect for any roofing company to implement to their website. We have 3 different branches. Each acts as a filter to filter out the good leads to the bad ones, which will save you a lot of time. If you would like, you can adjust the workflow into your own liking. We have 3 branches. You can adjust each one of them to your own work area, your budget range, and so on. You can add more filters even in. If you would like to implement this into your own website, you can click the link in the description, or you can go to pro.realwave.com and go to the agent library, find this agent, and deploy at the top right. Thank you so much for joining me in this workflow. I enjoyed it a lot, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.